Today we're going to be checking out the SR Performance Organic Clutch Kit 10 spline for the 1986 to mid-2001 Mustang GT and the 1993 to 1998 Mustang Cobras. This clutch kit is a great option for Mustang owners looking for a solid upgrade over stock that delivers improved performance and reliability for daily driving and some light track use. The standout feature of this clutch kit is its use with an organic friction material, which strikes a balance between performance and drivability. Organic clutches offer smooth engagement and comfortable pedal feel, making this kit for street-driven Mustangs that see occasional aggressive driving or some bolt-on power upgrades. The clutch is engineered to handle increased torque over the factory unit, making it suitable for Mustangs running some intakes, exhausts, or some tune modifications. It provides more holding power without sacrificing too much comfort, ensuring consistent engagement and reduced risk of slippage under load. The kit's going to include a high-quality pressure plate, organic clutch disc, alignment tool, and a throwout bearing. Everything you need for proper installation. The increased clamping force of the pressure plate improves torque transfer to the wheels, while the organic disc material helps manage heat and wear during stop-and-go traffic or some high RPM shifts. Overall, this kit gives you a noticeable performance boost while being daily driver friendly. The clutch disc itself is made from high friction organic compounds bonded to a steel backing plate for strength and thermal resistance. The pressure plate is built from durable stamped steel and designed for even pressure distribution and consistent engagement. Each component is precision engineered for long-term reliability and consistent performance, even with moderate power upgrades. Now, as far as the pricing goes, this kit comes in right around that $200 price range, making it a very strong value for those looking to replace a worn out factory clutch or upgrade for improved bite and holding power without jumping to a race style setup. It's a great middle ground choice for performance and affordability. Installation is fairly involved, so we're going to rate this a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you could expect the job to take around 4 hours to get this installed, depending on your experience level. You'll need to remove that transmission to access the clutch, which is best handled by those with a lot of experience, or just hire a professional mechanic if you're not totally confident in your ability to do this. That wraps up our review of the SR Performance Organic Clutch Kit 10 spline input for the 1986 to mid-2001 Mustang GT and the 1993 to 1998 Mustang Cobras. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.